This one is laughable. People saying they cannot tell how great Pele was as a footballer because they did not see full games of him at the club level. All they saw were clippings and a few World Cup games. But you know, it's not everybody who get a brain know if you use it. So let me help them. I saw enough of Pele from those World Cup games and clips to appreciate the superb technical quality of the Brazilian. Pele had very little, if any, technical flaws. Saw enough of him in big pressure World Cup games to know that he was a big temperament player at the highest level, even as a 17-year-old. And we all know about his individual brilliance in contributing to big title wins. Now, my working brain tells me that having established Pele's technical qualities, his big game temperament, and his instrumental role in winning big titles, I don't need to see many, if any, full club games played by Pele to deduce that coming down to the club level, the king could not reasonably lose his brilliance, and that nobody scores 600 goals in 600 games by fluke. So Pele must have been commensurately brilliant at the club level, as reflected in his known technical qualities and his numbers at the same club level. So therefore, all things considered, Edson Arantes do Nascimento must have been the greatest player to have ever played the game of football. That is what my brain tells me. I don't know where someone get them brain from. Bird brain. Bird brain.